Hello grade 6. Well, I truly miss you. Hope you do too. The first lesson is about expressing past time. So stay put and follow along. It won't be long, promise. If you thought you're off the hook since school's out, well, you're not. Welcome to our virtual classroom. Hopefully, at the end of this video, you will be able to expand your knowledge and mastery of the past tense. You will also be able to answer WH questions pertaining to the simple past tense. And finally, you will be able to learn a wide range of irregular verbs. Questions with who and whom. What is used to ask questions about things? Who is used to ask questions about people? Whom is used in formal English as the object of a verb or a preposition. Watch the following video, Who versus Whom.
So the next set of words, they're not verbs, they're pronouns, who versus whom, but they still have that subject-object thing going on. So who, you use who when you're referring to the subject, and you use whom when you're referring to the object. So if you're asking who chewed the ball, who is the subject? Who is the person taking action or the dog taking action? Chewing the ball. But if you have the dog chewed whom is the target of the chewing? So whom is in the object position, and so it's the object pronoun. When you're talking about the target of an action, you use whom. Now, an easier way to remember this is something I jokingly call the Heimlich maneuver. So the way you test the sentence is ask, can you answer hypothetically with the word him? And if you can, then you use whom. And it's easy to remember because him and whom both end with the letter M. So if you're trying to figure out whether you should write who or whom should we invite to speak, think about whether you can hypothetically answer with a sentence that uses him. You're restating it. We should invite him to speak. So because your answer, when you restate the question, has him in it, then you know the correct choice is whom. Whom should we invite to speak? Him equals whom. Here's another one. Who or whom did you call yesterday? Well, the answer would be, I called him yesterday. So again, you have a him, so you know to use whom. Whom did you call yesterday? Here's another one. Who or whom spoke at the dinner? Well, this one's different. You can't answer with him. The answer is, he spoke at dinner. So you don't have a him, so you don't use whom, so you use the other one. It's who. Who spoke at dinner? Hi, I'm Mignon Fogarty, better known as Grammar Girl. Please join me for my first Reagan webcast, Beyond Peeves, how to avoid the most common writing errors. We'll talk about misused words, grammar and writing errors, and punctuation problems. And by the end, you'll be a better writer.
All right, so what are irregular verbs? To form the past or past participle of a regular verb, the basic rule is to add ed. For example, if you have the verb dance, you just add ed and it becomes danced, right? Irregular verbs are verbs that do not follow this basic rule. They're naughty. My brother and I see many images during the show. Well, naturally, see should be changed to seed. You add ed, right? Does it sound right? Definitely not. See, in this case, since it's an irregular verb, it changes to saw. My brother and I saw many images during the show. The following video will introduce the 50 most common irregular verbs.
The 50 most common irregular verbs. base form, past simple, participle. Awake, awoke, awoken. Be, was or were, been. Blow, blew, blown. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Fight, fought, fought. Fly, flew, flown. Freeze, froze, frozen. Grow, grew, grown. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hold, held, held. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Leave, left, left. Lend, lent, lent. Lose, lost, lost. Pay, paid, paid. Quit, quit, quit. Read, read, read. ride, rode, ridden, run, ran, run, say, said, said, seek, sought, sought, sell, sold, sold, send, sent, sent, shake, shook, shaken, shine, shone, shown, sing, sang, sung, sink, sank, sunk, sit, sat, sat, sleep, slept, slept, spend, spent, spent, spread, 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 stand, stood, stood, steal, stole, stolen, swear, swore, sworn, swim, swam, swum, teach, taught, taught, tell, told, told, think, thought, thought, wear, wore, worn, write, wrote, written, win, won, won.
Alright, hope the video was helpful. Let's proceed. So, here's a poster of the irregular verbs. You can pause the video and try to learn as many as you can. Let's fill in the following gaps. We have to fill them with the correct form of the given verbs. The first example, they have blank, the puppy, Find, we have to change it to the past, and it's an irregular verb. So it should become, you're right, found. They have found the puppy. Example 2. Bonnie and Brian have blank the bus. The verb take. What does it become in the past? Taken. Bonnie and Brian have taken the bus. Third example. The pebble blank in the water. The verb is sink. Sink becomes sank. The pebble sank in the water. The last example. Vicky has blank, the letter. The verb is write. Write becomes written. Vicky has written the letter. I'm pretty sure you've got this. So stay safe until next time.